In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Vimeo video from your library. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to Vimeo. This is where you manage and share all of your uploaded videos. Once the page loads, you'll see a navigation panel on the left side. Look for the option labeled Library. That's your dashboard for everything you've uploaded or saved. Click Library to open it. Inside your library, find the video you want to share. If you have a lot of content, you can scan through your thumbnails and titles to pick the right one. Click the video to open its page. This brings you to the video's details view, where you can manage how it appears and who can see it. On the video page, look for the Share button. It's typically easy to spot near the top of the page or alongside the video player. Click Share to open the sharing options. Here's the key part. Make sure the video's privacy is set to public. Changing the privacy to public tells Vimeo to make the video visible to anyone, even if they don't have a Vimeo account. This is essential if you plan to post the link on social media or send it to people outside your team. If it's not public, viewers may run into restrictions or a video not available message. Once you switch the privacy to public, you'll see a direct link you can copy. This is your shareable URL. Go ahead and copy it. You can paste this link into your social media posts, drop it into a chat, include it in an email, or add it to your website. It's a quick, reliable way to get your video in front of your audience without juggling files or complicated settings. If your video has a custom title and thumbnail, those will carry through when you share the link, which can help it look more professional in posts. That's all there is to it. Go to Vimeo, open your library, choose the video, click Share, change the privacy to public, and copy the link. This simple flow makes distributing your content fast and consistent. If you ever need to adjust your video later, like updating the description or replacing the file, you can do so in the same place and the share link will stay the same, so you won't need to resend it. You're done. Thanks for watching and enjoy sharing your video with your audience.